You took this completely off.
This is the first time we've done this.
Hell yeah. They are dialed.
I would say a good tip would be to leave this bolt on.
Today we're installing top shock sliders on a Harley Dyna. We already got the bike all jacked up. We're gonna do this top pro. Hell yeah, boys. Let's go. She coming off, boys. I got her broke. She didn't really snap break though. It's just tight.
This is the first time we've done this. Ooh, haha. You getting it? I'm gonna try.
Oh, yeah.
Haha, we did it right, boys. Hell yeah, boys, there it is. God dang, boys, you think we should have a little trouble getting that off? God dang, Harley, you put enough Loctite on that there boat there, buddy. Holy cannoli. So what we're gonna do here, this spacer takes this space, the big one, takes that space right there. This obviously goes here, and then this goes out here to take the space of where that nut is, so this will line up properly. And we're gonna go like this. We're gonna do one of these numbers right here. One of these numbers right here. Do a little wham bam. Get it together.
Oh my goodness, it came right through on the other side.
God dang, boy.
How
Look
easy
how we
was
know what
that?
we're doing over here. Mama's a baba. Ooh-wee. Oh. It always holds everything on and we ever get anything off.
Woo! That's good stuff.
Wrench on this baby right here. And we're gonna just snug her down for now. We're gonna torque her in here a little bit later when we get them both in. Hell yeah, baby. And we gotta be careful with torque on this. The Delron does only take so much pressure. So if you hear that Delron start to go when you're just a little bit away from torque, you're good. Just leave it on, boys.
That is all of his body weight. Oh yeah, there it goes.
That's why, if you guys didn't see the video, how to jack your bike up off the ground, you guys are gonna wanna check that out. You see how much pressure we're putting on this bike. This thing is not moving at all, so please go back and check those.
No, it's legit. It hasn't budged or anything.
I'll probably drop a link of those videos.
And he's just breaking the other side now.
That's the way it always goes, boys. One goes easy, one goes a little harder, it'll be all right.
Mm-hmm. You took this completely off.
Under pressure.
I would say a good tip would be to leave this bolt on. So when you're trying to pull this off,
Yeah.
it stays in there. I think we need to lower the bike just a smidge.
Did it move? I think so. It's hard to tell whenever it's going that slow, but I think it moved.
She's off. We're still killing it, boys. Hell.
Oh yeah.
We're still killing the game. Don't get it twisted. See how easy that was?
Oh man. A little spacer in the front, big spacer in the middle.
And the last one just lined up. We'll see if this one does.
Right.
Oh, I love installing shock sliders this time of year, boy.
There's some Loctite for you.
I like the thick stuff, not the run, not just the runny.
I agree.
Hell yeah. Boom shakalaka, boys. Hell yeah, boys. If you like all this Harley Dyna content we're doing in the Mobbin Garage, please like and subscribe, boys. Catch us next week at 420, and until then, ride hell bent for leather.
Hell yeah.
They are dialed. Looking good.
I think it looks better with them.
Oh yeah.
Don't you?
Dude, looks legit.